Hi and welcome back to the channel. On the table in 25 minutes and perfect for an inexpensive brunch or dinner, this savoury shakshuka style dish is great with a side salad, crusty bread or maybe an egg if you fancy it for brunch. The squeaky, salty halloumi cheese is a perfect contrast to the rich sauce, and leftovers are really easy to reheat the next day. So I'll stop talking and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. First, let's get our prep sorted as it's such a quick recipe. So thinly slice your leek and cut your drained halloumi into 1 centimetre or ½ an inch slices. Now heat the olive oil in an oven-proof frying pan or a pot and add the mince. Fry this for 5 or 6 minutes, stirring it until it's all coloured. Add the leeks, oregano and garlic and saute these for 3 or 4 minutes so the leeks soften. Now is a good time to put your grill or broiler on, ready to grill the top. It's tomato time, baby, so add the tin of chopped tomatoes. And the pasta sauce and give them a good stir. Fill your pasta sauce container halfway with water and give it a good swish to capture any remaining sauce. Add this to the pan. As the sauce reduces, taste it and decide if it's salty enough for your taste. Add a teaspoon if you think it needs it, bearing in mind the halloumi is quite salty too. Once the sauce is reduced, retaste it for salt and add a little more if you think it needs it. Then it's time to add the spinach and wilt this into the sauce. Once wilted, we can sprinkle over the mozzarella. I do love stringy cheese. And place the halloumi, however artistically you fancy, over the top of the pan. Now it's time to grill the top. Keep an eye on it to stop any burning, but the halloumi should colour. Once out of the grill, leave it for a few minutes to cool to an eatable temperature. Garnish with some basil leaves and it's ready to eat. Just look at that cheese pull. I've got loads of videos on this channel covering a wide range of recipes, so why not subscribe and see what's coming up next? It all helps the channel and I do like to pay the electricity bill. Here's another recipe I think you'll like, so why not give it a try? So until next time, bye!